So tell me the make, model, and the year of your bike, please.
2023 S1KXR.
Okay. Is this your first bike?
Second bike.
Second bike? Why did you choose a BMW?
I didn't know what to go with first. I was looking at Harleys and everything.
Okay.
My friend had a GS. He
Okay.
took me to the dealership. And,
Like a 1250?
yeah.
Okay. Did you try that?
I didn't get to try it. The dealership wouldn't let me try it because how new I was.
Oh, really? Okay.
But they let me have the 900R, and that's what I started on.
Okay.
So I did that.
Oh. And what's your experience like on the S1000R so far?
Oh my God! If I had a number, what, a million out of 10? That's how good this bike is.
Oh, that's how good it is?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like, so what was your riding style before this bike? Were you more like highways, twisties? What did you like?
I like long distance.
Highways,
Yeah.
that means. So this is perfect for highways. That's why I guess you got it, right? Got a straight bar, bike is straight up. You don't have to lean as much.
Yep.
Not putting that much pressure on your back or whatever, right? Going through, you know what I mean? So, and you're getting all the reliability of the BMW. So tell us about the, what kind of features you have, ABS, things of that nature.
I'm not sure if they call it ABS or is it DTC.
DTC, that's
Yeah,
correct.
that's what
Because
they
that's
call
like a BMW lingo, you know what I mean?
That's what
It's
they
the
call
same
it.
thing, you know what I mean? And I'm sure you have a quick shifter in
Oh,
here too.
I can go up and down on the quick shifter. I got
Heated grips,
Oh hell yeah!
right?
Grips.
Yes.
I got rain mode.
Rain mode, yeah.
Dynamic Pro, dynamic, and road mode.
Okay. Did you have to lower the bike or was it the right height for you?
See on there, I can put it on minimum or auto.
That is
Usually it's
correct.
on
It has
auto.
two features.
Yeah.
Also, doesn't it go lower when you stop at a stop sign? Does
I
it have
can't
that feature?
tell, to
Okay.
be honest. Like
Okay.
it's still tall for me, but
It is still a little tall.
Yeah.
But you have the option to lower it if you
Yeah.
wanted to, right? What's your plan with the bike? What's your plan with the bike? How long you want to plan to keep it?
I heard these bikes last
Yeah, they do.
to like 50K.
Yeah.
At least.
I have 50,000 on my CBR. I bought it brand new.
Everything original?
Everything, no. I think exhaust.
Well,
and,
you know, everybody.
Oh,
does
the
exhaust.
engine wise, everything is original.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, engine wise, everything is original.
Oh, man.
You know what I mean? So yeah, they last. And BMWs also
Oh yeah, they definitely last.
last. You know what I mean? They also are pretty good with that. Cool. Well, nice meeting you. You know.
Yeah,
Thank you very
man.
much. Cool.